Hello ladies and gentlebeards. Today I'm going to tell you why coffee is good for your beard and for your hair. So there's something in this one for you as well, ladies. I don't know why I'm doing that. It's empty. Studies have shown that caffeine, that's it, caffeine is good for beard growth and hair. See, caffeine has antioxidants that help promote the production of healthy cells, and this means healthier, better looking facial hair. Researchers in Germany even found out that consuming caffeine the rate of growth and increased the length by up to
40%.
Also, beard and hair products that contain caffeine help stimulate the follicles and improve the health of the beard. Side note, caffeine doesn't feed the beard or feed the head hair. It just helps stimulate the follicles, gives them that extra boost, like you take a cup of coffee in the morning. Just gives you that oomph to get on with your day. But beware, using too much topically can have the negative effect and it can reverse the growth, so only use as directed on the label. Top tip for in the home: if you have ground coffee at home and you've used it for making a drink, keep that coffee, put it in a little spray bottle or something, fill it with water, and then 10 minutes before you go for a shower, just squirt it along the beard, let it soak in, and then wash it out. It'll do your beard wonders. There's loads more positive effects of caffeine, but I think we've gone through enough for now. So thanks for joining me. I'll see you all later. Toodles!